Okay, I want to explain press tool here. It's press tool. As you can see, I want to give you an example here. Going exactly to 3D. For example, I have two pattern and want to zooming to each other. If it is in a default, as you can see, there are zooming like this. As you can see, there I try to flatten zooming. It looks like this. It's flat. It means this is pattern number 1 and this is pattern number 2. It try to continue the curvature of the pattern number 1 and zoom. The turn and the press, and in a zooming section we have an smooth clauses, smooth, and you cannot see the swing part. But if you want to see the folded and swing part, you have to select the turn option, and the press do this work for us automatically. For doing manually, first you learn is here. You have to go to edit swing part, and we have to go and select it. If you select it, here we have the swing line type, custom angle, and turned. Look at if we change it to turn. Look at this. If you simulate, as you can see here, as you can see, it's it's break the pattern. It means all of the pattern layout exactly above each other, and we don't have any angle here. But look at here, pattern number 1 and pattern number 2 are exactly above each other. This is on turn, and the press tool does this work for us automatically. If you select it, and as you can see, turned, and you cannot change the angle because we don't have any angle. It's exactly turned, exactly like this. You can see clearly in this image. But if it is in a default and turn, you don't want to go into the 2D and select the, as you can see, it's flip over the other. If you don't want looks like this, it is in this example you cannot see it very well, but in the project you see well this working. You want to use it press. It's the press tool do this work for us automatically. This press, it's press or compress the two pattern in it's the folding edge or the zooming edge. Press, select the first, it's gone. It means okay, it's gone. Select this and second pattern and done. And simulate. It press it for you. As you can see, they're exactly line at each other. For better quality, you have to change the particle distance. Another example of folding angle, as you can see, we have an internal line here, and going to the 2D, select this internal line, select this internal line, and we have a fold angle that I explained before, but you can see it better here. If you increase the number of the strings in 100% and turn on the simulation and change the fold angle, you can see the differences. As you can see, this is unfolding angle. You can change any fold in any direction that you want. You can if you want to fold in this direction or fold this line in any direction that you want. This is unfold angle. Okay. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.